channel. Today we're gonna be playing this really cool cap game, and it's basically where you make like all these keys, and then you get them, and I'm pretty sure you have to sell them. So yeah, this is pretty cool. And there's these guys, but I don't know what those are, but yeah. But it's telling me. Ooh, I'm gonna play the gold. Yeah, there we go. Yummy money. And then it seems like you go over here and do this. This guy's one. Okay, wait, this is actually kind of fun. Ooh, flaming? Hey guys, if this video gets a bunch of likes, I'll make a spring trap costume. And I might make a special delivery. Flaming spring trap. Don't tell anyone, okay? I might do it. Maybe. If this video gets enough views, I might just do it. You guys will find out. Okay? You guys will find out. And also, if you want to see more videos, make sure to comment down below. Like an equip that thing. Oh wait, pet. I don't know. Wait. Oh. Oh wait, these are my beds. Oh, these are good. All right, it looks like this game is not that hard. It looks like you can protect your base. Can you steal stuff? Oh, you have to spend Robux. Yeah, I don't know if anyone in the server has Robux, but yeah. Ooh, special lucky block. Wait, there's lucky blocks? And guys, if this video gets a bunch of views, I'll make a video where I spend a bunch of Robux. I'll make a video where I spend a ton of Robux. I'm just gonna spend so many Robux. And oh, it looks like there's a shop. Oh, I thought there was a selling shop. Can I do that? Ooh, I can craft them. Ooh, wait, I think this might be good. I can't craft any of these. Okay. Okay, so it looks like you can sell all the bad things. Oh, nice. So I don't need any of this stuff. And now I got like $35,000. Ooh. Base egg with up to 2 Wait. Okay. The space egg is the only one that doesn't cost Robux. Oh my god. So here's half my 7. And also, guys, if you're then if you want to, you don't have to. But ooh, wait, was that a new? Was that a new cap? I'm pretty sure it's not a new one. Yeah, I got a new black. Whoa! Wait, this is the Minecraft burger is like even better. I have a bunch of them. Oh, burger! 2 burgers! Yeah! Burgers are here. I want to see if I can get something else that's better. Oh! Cookie cap. What is it? I should have gotten a clip. My bed. No, it's not my bed. Ooh, crafted gold? I don't know. Okay. What? They literally just raised the price. Come on, why you keep raising the price, darling? Ooh, another burger. That's best. Now I should have a full team of burgers. Yep, I actually do have a full team of burgers. Okay, now to go kill these guys. Bye-bye. There we go. Now I got 246. Wait, they be raising prices on me. I don't really like that. Come on. Ooh. Ooh, I gotta craft this. I gotta collect my I don't want a reaper. Okay, I think I have the requirements. Oh, I need 150. Wait, what are these little ice ones? Wait, don't you have to craft those too? Oh, you have to craft them here. And you need to craft 8. So then, like, so basically 8. And then, I don't know, it's not really working out. Can't math right now. Yay. Don't ask what that was. Was not none of your business. Yes, I got an egg. With the egg, I got a rare. Nice. Where's my pet? Yep. Wait. Where's my? Oh, he's right here. Yeah, he does not help me collect. What did he do? I don't know what to do. I think they're just there. Alright, let's see. Do I got any better? Nope. Ooh, nice. 100. Hey, wait. They actually keep on raising the price. Math. Ooh, math. Now real. I don't want a reaper. Come on. Alright, let's. How come I don't get any variant burgers? I don't know why I don't get any variant burgers. Let's see. Please have a new bed. Come on, I barely get anything good. Oh, nice, I made some good money. Um, so, let's that Ooh, what about auto? Literally just lets me collect. Whoa, wait, that's actually very good. on, 100% deal, 100 Robux, 39 for 50% chance. It's 50-50, it's not bad. What's that? What's that little thing? I don't know what Wait, so you're basically supposed to craft these things? I don't know, wait, you're actually supposed to craft. Oh, wait, how come I never get any of the good ones? Wait, new one, new keycap. Oh, wait. Never mind, it wasn't that good. I just want something better for once. Let's see, what do I got? Nothing. Oh my god. Well, guys, I think that's gonna be all for today. So, this, obviously. Yeah, this is gonna be all for today, but make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see more. So, bye guys, and have a good time.